guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of stickers in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this one, or actually I'll use one colored one and one like white outline one. So on this white outline, sorry, it is very simple. You're just going to go to library and you're going to go to background. And you're just going to apply any color that you want on top of the sticker. Go to blend mode and select linear burn because it's like a line. You can try and experiment with others, but I prefer the linear burn one, of course. On this one, you're going to actually go to adjustments and you're going to add in a black and white filter on the top of your sticker first. And I'm just going to increase the brightness a little bit and increase the contrast, increase the highlight a little bit. Then you're going to do the same thing, add a color that you want. And for this one, try to just search for the ones that you want. Maybe this overlay one, color burn, linear burn also works well. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.